Keep going. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's a ball.
He's seeing it.
Yeah, it's a soccer
See?
ball.
It's just a big ball.
See, it's not gonna get you. You little weirdo.
It's not like balls.
It's a big tennis ball. Get it, get it.
I'm trying to bite it.
Oh my gosh, I don't want that up. Thank you, Billy. It's dusty. It's dusty though. Yeah.
Ooh, it's a big ball, see?
Yay!
Oh, now it's fun. Oh, where are you gonna go?
It's an egg. You like an egg.
Yeah. Let's hatch it.
There you go. We gotta buy a big one. A big Congo.
If you hatch a soccer ball, does a miniature David Beckham come out of it?
Oh my god. Yeah. I'm feeling.
Oh, you like that now?
We could buy a big one. Woo! Where'd it go? 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 You ready? Go get it! He likes soccer balls, but not basketball.
No, he's tearing them up now.
You're not scared of it anymore?
Kick the soccer ball.
Not hard, just really lightly.
What's up? Push it towards you. Jericho.
There you go.
Yeah, you have to be careful. You can't be scared.
Well, now he knows they're toys and not things wanting to eat them.
Yeah. Get it, puppy.
Yeah, get it, get it.